Hi, when will the CUET forms come out? That's the big question. Well, the UGC has asked for some sort of a suggestion on a big change that it is proposing to CUET UG examination, which is that it wants to allow students to take any subject irrespective of what they've studied in their class 12. So you may have studied science or commerce or arts, but you should be able to give any exam when sitting for CUET UG. That's a big change. But it wants to take out the CUET UG and PG guidelines together. This suggestion is requested by the UGC to be submitted by the 26th of December. So till the 26th of December, people are allowed to suggest to UGC if they want any changes in the CUET UG and PG guidelines. Now, since the UGC is seeking suggestions up till the 26th of December, any information about forms, dates, paper pattern, though for CUET PG Economics, there is expected to be no change. The paper is supposed to be of 90 minutes. The paper is supposed to be of similar difficulty as last year. And the paper is supposed to have only one section like it had last year. So for CUET PG, there is no real change. But we will have to wait for everyone else to review the changes proposed by CUET and see if there are any changes that the CUET wants to take in and implement. So, our forms for CUET PG Economics 2025 are not expected to come before the 26th of December 2024. Now, this means that the form will come either after the 26th end December, but more probably it will come in beginning Jan. So, everyone, the CUET PG Economics 2025 forms, the application forms, the dates of the exam are expected to come out only by January 2025. So you as a student, what should you do? Should you wait for the form to come out or should you take action? Everyone, I would recommend that since the CUET PG is the most important exam that you will give because it will get you admission into DSC and JNU and IGIDR and so many top institutes. Do not wait for the last moment. Do not wait for the exam notification to come. Because if the exam is in March, like it was last year, you will then have only about 2+ months to prepare. And you don't want to wait that less. You don't want to give that less time to one of the most important exams of your life. So everyone, I would suggest quit waiting for the date. Start preparing today. At EduSure, we are doing some extremely important topics which are important for CUET PG in our classes. So come with us, take a trial class and start your CUET PG prep today. Thank you. Bye.